Hello, I'm Pablo Cibaja. I'm a Technical Adoption Manager in Madrid, Spain. I'm also a CTO ambassador, and I work with the hands-on labs with the VMware Cloud on AWS team. Our lab is the Explore the new advanced features of VMware Cloud on AWS. So if you take this lab, what you are going to experience is practically the real environment. You can play with it, and you are going to learn how to start with your SDDC once it is deployed, and you can take advantage of the real vSphere client. You can work with content libraries and deploy virtual machines, and that virtual machine that is going to be there has a container app with a service that we are going to use later to try to integrate that application in there with an AWS native service called EFS. If you are an administrator of your virtual environment and you would like to know how to work with VMware Cloud on AWS, and if you already have workloads in your cloud, in VMware Cloud on AWS, but you would like to take advantage of the services, multiple services that AWS has for you, this is the lab for you. With our lab, we are always trying to get the best for you and the latest updates. So we are constantly giving those touches to the specific things in the lab. For example, we are using the latest i4i instance in this lab, so you can see how it is performing, and other things like the AWS native services that was new from last year, so you can get most out of it. It is a really cool lab. We are very excited about it and hope that you enjoy it.